Cash App offers short-term loans through its Borrow feature issued by Square Financial Services, but it is not available to everyone, and there is no formal application process. The option appears only if you are eligible. Eligibility factors include being 18 plus, having a verified personal account in good standing, receiving regular direct deposits, often 300 plus monthly paychecks into Cash App or 500 plus in a linked account, using a Cash App card regularly and maintaining a positive balance. It is unavailable in Colorado, Iowa, and Oregon. Limits typically range from $20 up to a few $100s. Personal maximum varies. How to borrow if eligible. Open Cash App and go to the Money tab. Tap Borrow. It shows your available amount if offered. Select or enter the amount. Minimum 20 POS. Choose a repayment schedule, usually about 4 weeks, lump sum or installments. Review the terms, including the flat fee, commonly around 5%, and confirm. Funds deposit instantly into your Cash App balance. Repay on time to avoid late fees and maintain eligibility for future offers. Check the app for your personal offer and terms as they can change. Improving activity, deposits, spending may help unlock or increase limits, but nothing is guaranteed.